The alternative to creating opportunities is discovering them. In the previous clip, we explored how to find information when we are creating opportunities, so we can use that information to estimate income. In this clip, we will explore how opportunities are discovered and how to find the relevant market information that can be used to estimate income. Discovering opportunities is somehow easier to evaluate than creating them. Opportunities are discovered traditionally by finding a better way to solve a problem. Because there is an existing problem, it is easier to evaluate the market. Let me use the same example that we used before, the flying shoes. In the previous clip, we spoke about the many opportunities that could arise from applying a new technology, that of flying shoes, to many uses. Let's turn our attention then to one of these markets, transportation. If we agreed that the value that flying shoes provided to transportation was speed, we can then reverse that view and ask ourselves, what are the alternatives that solve the problem of slow transportation? One of such alternatives could be the flying shoes. Interestingly, one might think that conference calls would solve that problem too. Focusing on ways to reduce the impact of a problem or to solve the problem altogether is different than focusing on applications to different markets. None is better than the other. However, market information is more readily available when one is discovering opportunities. It is also easier to estimate the value of the solution by comparison. One might estimate the number of clients from an existing market that would try a different approach. It might also be easier to estimate the value of such solution, and consequently, it would be easier to estimate the price that clients are likely to pay. When discovering an opportunity, it is critical to define what is the problem, what are the alternatives and the value proposition of such alternatives, what is the estimated number of clients that are likely to purchase the new solution, what is the price they're likely to pay, and how often they would purchase it. Discovering opportunities traditionally makes market more efficient or expands markets into other clients. Chilean salmon is an example of expanding markets by introducing a lower price and capturing new clients. And the Australian truffles is an example of expanding markets by introducing a different time frame.